Shubor nagaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba u Conrad ki sangma hakas ngi palai ulong baladep ban Phah Tohkit Halor ki Jingbym Biang ki Jingdan kam ki be debat ke Meghalaya Games ar puar kabarang ya hadu menta habaku ber bakiladon ki Jingduna ha ke Jingpen kre ya kini kelempung yelek kai u Conrad ulong ba kabadan kam kalong ban shim nuksa na ke kabalaja khanang bakin amja shu hadian habut Ula ongru baka Meghalaya State Olympics Association kalale ya ke kabakala but day ban sngotu ru baka ni kalempung yelek kai kadang day tang kabasaw hakisan posnem nalor kata ula ongru ba kam day ba ki Jingduna ki Jingbakla kin ka ya ke Jingdon kam jong kani kalempung yelek kai.
Inquiry, definitely. We have ordered an inquiry into this. But I think the other part of the story which one has to realize is that that nothing is perfect. I've said this again and again. These games are happening after many years, and the MSOA has tried its best. Yes, there were shortcomings. There's no doubt about it. But I think it's more important to learn from the mistakes that were made, ensure that the people who are responsible for it, necessary steps are taken. But I think in the larger picture, it's more important to move forward, move on, and request that let not this one incident overshadow the entire importance of the games. We have to realize that 2,600 participants have participated. We have to realize that it's happening for the fourth time in 50 years. I think these are the important parts, and I think press should realize all of those aspects also and focus on the positive story also. And yes, we learn from the negative, we improve things and ensure that in the future it doesn't happen.